Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm just gonna do a nail art video for you, just showing you how I done my nails. I decided to do some autumn slash fall nails, just get in the mood. Weather's changing, time's changing, it's a different season now. So I thought to do my nails, and I haven't done them in such a long time and I just fancied them. So these are the nails. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching the video. So I've prepped my nails and now I'm going to use the orange nail polish and I'm going to polish each finger, and I'm just going to leave the ring finger because I'm going to do that in another colour. But make sure you do 2 coats. Now I'm going to use the nude nail polish and polish that ring finger, and then I'm going to put it under the light for 60 seconds. So after each time I polish, I put it under the light for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to do the top coat and I'm going to go over each nail, and then afterwards put it under the light for 60 seconds. So now I get my little leaf tattoo thing, and this one's a tattoo one where you have to get a sponge and wet it, and then the sticker will slide out. I prefer the other ones where you can just take it off and stick it on. I don't really like these ones personally, but that was the nail sticker I had. So it's just an orange leaf on the nail, and I only done that on the nude nails. So now this is when I start my glitter. All I'm doing is putting glitter on the corner of the nail, and that's only on the orange nails. So I get my nail glue, the brush one, and then I'm just going to put that on the corner of the nail. Then I'm going to dip it in the glitter, and then I just get a nail brush just to clean it up the areas and make sure the glitter is sticked only on the glue part. And then I just repeat on the rest of the nails. and these are the final look of the nails. So yeah, those are the final look of my nails. I love how they look and how they turned out. So simple, so easy, and it's still a bit colourful. I know when we think of autumn, fall times, we just think of dark, rainy, you know, it's starting to get darker earlier and stuff like that, and it's getting chilly now, windy, rainy, but it's still a nice time to have some nice colourful nails. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.